Tired of losing the magic of clickable links when saving your PDFs from Dochub? Let's ensure your interactive documents stay that way. First, open your PDF document within Dochub. You likely have several hyperlinks embedded within this document, which are crucial for navigation and adding value to your reports. Now, locate the Save or Download button. This is usually found in the top right corner of your Dochub interface. Clicking this button will present you with several saving options from the drop-down menu. Select PDF as your desired output format. Here's the crucial step. Look carefully for an option labeled something like Preserve Links, Embed Links, or Keep Hyperlinks Active. Make sure this option is enabled or checked. Once you've confirmed that this setting is active, go ahead and click to download your PDF. Dochub will now process your document with this special instruction. Now, open the saved PDF, test out your hyperlinks. You'll see that each link you click will take you exactly where you intended, just as it did within Dochub. This ensures your reports remain navigable and your documents truly interactive. By following these simple steps, you can confidently share PDFs that retain all their vital interactive elements. Keep those connections active.